What is that?
My bed.
Who are you dressed up as?
Woodpecker.
Who?
Woody.
Is that Woody Luke? Luke was dressed up as Buzz, but he wanted to get into his firefighter outfit. Now, Wesley, you're going to have to pick that up.
Mommy, I want
Shark.
my bed.
Your badge?
Huh?
Okay, here, let me see. Oh, this is for the fire department, Wesley. This is Luke's badge.
No, it's mine.
Look, it says fire department.
No.
This is yours right here. Look. It says sheriff. You're the sheriff. But that says the fire department. I'll put it on you, but it's not supposed to be on there. It's not going to stay because it doesn't go on there. Here, put it in there. Oh! Yeah. Oh my goodness, I tell you. Oh, this is why we do not sleep in the same bed anymore. Hey Luke, what are you dressed up as? Are you a firefighter? Who are you watching?
My hat's blown away. Here, my hat's blown away.
Oh
My hat's blown away.
no. Hey Wesley, what is today? What special day is today?
Valentine's Day.
No. Remember you gave Mommy a present this morning for what?
Easter.
No.